Welcome. In front of me is a POCO Pad M1, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. But I also want to make sure that you are aware that when doing this kind of reset to get rid of a screen lock that you don't know, most of the time your device will become FRP locked. And this is the result when you're doing a reset and you have a Google account signed in. I don't have any kind of account signed in here, so this won't be a problem for me, but just be wary of that when you do and you reset your device, while you're going through the setup process, your phone will force you to verify either your Google or your screen lock that it had set before. And if you can't do either one of those, you will be just kind of stuck on a setup, and your tablet becomes more or less a brick instead of a functional device. Anyway, so what you want to do is turn off the device, and we're gonna start holding power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up boot options, and here just swipe up to turn off your device. Now when the tablet turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up again. You can let go of the power button when you see the POCO logo. And this takes us to the recovery mode. Now at the bottom you can see it tells us that we can navigate through these options using volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, I'm going to select volume down just so I can select wipe data. Confirm it with the power button. Then I'm just going to select wipe all data and confirm. As you can see, it begins resetting the data. It goes pretty quickly. This literally took like 2 seconds. So we're gonna now press power button to go back to main menu. Then we're gonna press it again to reboot and to reboot to system. And right now the device will reboot, continue resetting itself in the background, and once it's finished doing so, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.